Hey friends, welcome to Gyan Geek. This time I will review two best apps that I have found this week. The review will be totally depending on Play Store rating, reviews in Play Store, space it takes, and popularity across Play Store. So let's get started friends. Number 1. Solo Learn. This is an app which helps you to learn programming basics from your mobile phone only. One of the main things that I like about this app is that you cannot skip your ongoing module. And if you want to skip, you have to give a test, an MCQ based test. After only passing that, you would be allowed to go to next module. And at the end of the course, you get certificates also. That's pretty cool, huh? You can also take part in coding challenges, and for any doubts, you can post your doubt or ask some other user to answer it. With 5.9 MB of space, 4.8 rating, and more than 1 million downloads, it is by far the best app for learning programming basic that I have experienced. The next one on our list is Hostel World. This is one of the best apps for travelers or backpackers that is going to help them a lot in finding hostels, as we all know that hostels provide quite a bit of facilities in a cheaper price. Just enter the city in which you are finding hostels. You will get to see a lot of hostels filtered on the basis of price from low to high. Just see the hostel you are interested in, find the best hostel in terms of facilities and price, and make online payment, and you are all done. With 26 MB of space, 4.4 rating, and more than 1 million downloads, this has to be a very helpful app for the backpackers. That's it in today's video. I hope it helped you a lot. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button. Also do share and subscribe to see more of these videos in future.